Welcome to the Society of Amateur Radio Astronomers. Detection of Pulsar B0823+26 using the Green Bank 20-meter radio telescope. We start out by looking at the data for the Pulsar using Microsoft Bing or any other search engine. Put in ATNF Pulsar catalog. You'll get this. Click that. You'll go to the Australian Telescope National Facility, which holds the master Pulsar catalog. Now what we're going to do is do a selection. We'll select name, right ascension, declination, period P0, dispersion measure DM, and since we are dealing with the 20-meter telescope which has a 1400 megahertz feed on it, we'll select signal strength for 1400 megahertz. We'll scroll down here, and what we'll do is sort by signal strength at 1400 megahertz in descending order. We'll hit table. The results of our search with the name, right ascension, declination, period in seconds, P0, dispersion measure, and signal strength at 1400 megahertz in millijanskis. We'll scroll down. We'll see that the first entry here is 1050 millijanskis, and we'll scroll down to find B0823+26, and here it is here. It is at 8 hours 26 minutes. 20 declination is 26 degrees 37 minutes. The period is 0.53066 seconds. Dispersion measure is 19.476. And the signal strength is 10 millijanskis. Okay, we're going to go into track. We're going to use 120 second duration and 0.001 integration time. Here's the data for our observation. And the telescope took the request, and we'll wait for it to process it. It's now active. The telescope has taken up the request and is processing and starting the observation. Okay, the telescope has completed the observation. Here are the results. These two peaks here in the pulse best profile show that we have a very strong detection of a pulsar. High peaks, low signal strength, and the lower ends is a good indication of a good detection. Plot here is time versus phase. You see the two peaks very cleanly all the way up on both of these. Chi-squared has a nice linear profile here. On this plot, phase versus frequency shows that we have both good signal on the lower ends and the upper ends of the frequency band, and we've got a blank spot right here. P dot is a nice sharp point here. Interesting that the period has two peaks here. Zooming in so we can see the data, see that the period is 530.697 milliseconds. And if you plot that period against the P dot, you get a nice sharp point here. Dispersion measure, you can't really read it down here, so you go up to the top and it reads 20.282. This is, my opinion, a very good detection of the pulsar B0823+26. Thank you for joining us on our detection of pulsar B0823+26 with the Green Bank 20-meter radio telescope. If you are interested in radio astronomy, please visit our website at radio-astronomy.org. Thank you.